क्लास 12 आर्ट्स +2 हाई स्कूल पतरातू का छात्र हूँ और ये हमारे पार्टनर है आदित्य कुमार।
Namaste. Myself Aditya Kumar. I am the student of class 12 arts stream from SS+2 High School, Patratu. According to the guidelines given by our tourism and hospitality teacher, Mr. Narayan Misra sir, I with my friend Dilip has designed a sample model of Hotel Taj. Friends, this Hotel Taj, line by line, point wise, I will explain about it. Okay. First, this was constructed by, or the founder of this Hotel Taj is Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata. This was constructed by him in 16 September 1903, and at present it has covered its 117 years. Friends, this is situated in Nariman Tower, that is in Mumbai, on the coast of Arabian Sea, and this hotel is very luxurious and the one of the costly hotel in India. Friends, there are approx 100 branches of Hotel Taj. 84 are there in India and 16 are in other countries. There is 560 rooms and 44 suites in this hotel, and the working staff is approx 1600. It's too much. 1600 staffs work under it, and due to its luxury and this monument is also very historical. There is a lot of story behind this hotel. Why Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata has constructed this. So, one by one, my friend will tell you about the terrorist attack that is held in Hotel Taj. So, over to you, Dilip.
इस पर कई बार आतंकवादी हमला हुआ, जैसे 26 दिसंबर 2008 में हुआ, और ये हमला जो करवाए जिनके पीछे हाथ था उनका नाम था जस्कर-ए-तैयबा। उन्होंने एक तरफ से बोला जाए तो पाकिस्तानी से जो है आतंकवादी बुलाया और वहीं से बुला के यहाँ पे आके आतंकवादी का हमला करवाया।
फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ that there is also another building that is situated on this side of this Hotel Taj, but that is not here. On that terrorist attack of 2008, that 2 or 3 floors of that tower was destroyed by the terrorists, and I think how many people were dead? कितने लोग मरे थे?
इसमें लगभग 166 लोग मरे।
166 people died on that terrorist attack. It's too much. So friend, मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि ये होटल ताज महल जो है ये, ठीक है, ये 6 फ्लोर्स में है, एंड द अदर टावर, अदर होटल ताज टावर is I think there is 26 or 28 floors there in that tower. So this is very luxurious, and the architect and the designer that designed this Hotel Taj were Sitaram Khande Rao Vaidya and D.N. Mirza, who gave their idea to Jamshedji Tata, and they were the architect who constructed this. There is difference between founder and the architect. Founder is Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata, and the architect were, I have told you, Sitaram Khande Rao Vaidya and D.N. Mirza. Friends, जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, टूरिज्म एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी, इसमें होता क्या है, एक ऐसा जगह जो हमारे घर से दूर हो, जहां हम अपने आप को रिलैक्स और जहां हम एंजॉय करें, क्या दिल, ऐसा जगह जहां हम एंजॉय करें hotel, I will tell you the meaning of hotel. Hotel means home away from home. A separate home that is away from your actual home, where you feel relaxed. So, as I have told you, there are lots of hotels in India. Each and every hotel has its own story. So, let me tell you why Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata constructed this hotel. Actually, during British period, once in Mumbai, that is in Mumbai, he went there in hotel, and the Britishers does not allow him to enter that hotel because he was Indian, a black Indian, and black Indian were not allowed there. Only the European people were allowed to enter that hotel. That day he spent his night on the street. उन्होंने अपनी रात सड़क पे गुजारी. वो बहुत बड़े सेठ थे, बहुत बड़े बिजनेसमैन थे. उसके बावजूद वो इंडियन थे, इसीलिए उनको बाहर रहना पड़ा. तो that time he promised himself that he will build a hotel that is more luxurious and more beautiful than that hotel. That's why he constructed this hotel. After that terrorist attack in 2008, in spite of that, the luxurious and that hotel is अभी भी वो अपने पहले जैसा ही है, जैसा पहले था अभी भी वैसा ही है. 2008 में टेररिस्ट अटैक होने के बावजूद भी वो पहले जैसा था वैसा ये मैनेज हो गया है. तो
ये बहुत ही गर्व की बात है, क्योंकि ये हमारे भारत में,
ये बहुत ही शान की बात है, क्योंकि हम इंडियंस को ब्रिटिशर्स अलाउ नहीं करते थे, जिसके लिए जमशेदजी टाटा, फाउंडर ऑफ टाटा ग्रुप्स, उन्होंने प्रण लिया कि मैं भी एक ऐसा होटल बनाऊंगा. उन्होंने ये होटल बनाया. तो मैं आप सबको यही दिखाने के लिए, मैं और मेरे दोस्त दिलीप, हमारे नारायण सर जो है हमारे टूरिज्म के टीचर, उनके कहने के बाद हमने ये डिजाइन किया. तो आई होप यू लाइक दिस होटल. सो दिलीप, कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
नहीं.
ओके, थैंक यू.